There's three things about nature that I find absolutely medicinal. The first thing is that in nature, you're absolutely confronted with the fact that you cannot control certain things. And that acceptance is one of the greatest things to understand inside of our lives. That acceptance is the same beginning tool that you would use actually to overcome any sort of illness that you have, including addictions, but also cancer. By acceptance, we're able then to take our mind into it. And that leads me to the second thing. Nature unbelievably always slows a person down. These are two different things that many people in society do not want to experience. But this slowing down inside of nature, it makes you go at its pace. You cannot go any faster. You cannot make the moon rise. You cannot make the sun rise. You cannot make the waters go down any quicker. Instead, you have to find a way around it. And how much is that like in our life, right? There's so many times where we start moving everything so fast and we start becoming so stressed that we end up having heart attacks. Heart disease is the leading cause of death, guys, because we cannot slow down. We cannot take it as the flow of nature. And the last thing that nature to me always does is it humbles me in beauty. Humble yourself in beauty and majesty and miracle. That will guide me through any sort of depression, any sort of mental handicap that I have about myself, any sort of anxiety that I have. All I have to do, right, is bring myself into nature, and I can have these three things at my doorstep, which are going to help me transcend mind, body, and spirit issues, right? It's going to make me a stronger and healthier person. These are the three things where medicinally nature rules. Sparkle on, everybody.